Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience. IBPS SO Law Prelims is just around the corner. And in this video, I'm going to give you few last minute tips, few things that you should keep in mind. The first thing is know the exam pattern. You should be clear of the exam pattern, of the timing constraints, of the marks allocated to every section. And the second thing that you should be aware of is the cutoff, but you do not have to rely on them. The cutoff may vary because the vacancies are different, because the exam level could be different. But yes, the cutoffs can give you an idea of the pattern, of the trend, of how many marks every section have got in the past years. So we'll talk about these two things first. This is the exam pattern of your prelims exam. Remember, English has half weightage. In English, there are 50 questions of 25 marks and are to be attempted in 40 minutes. For reasoning and general awareness, 50 questions are of 50 marks. So though there are 150 questions, the paper is of 125 marks and every section has a sectional timing constraint of 40 minutes. English and general awareness can be attempted in 40 minutes, but 50 questions of reasoning may not be attempted in 40 minutes. So for reasoning, you have to be smart. You have to know which are your comfort areas and what are the questions that you are going to attempt. Now coming to the cutoffs, these has been the cutoff over the past 6 years. Here you can see the maximum cutoff has gone up to 52.63. And if you talk about sectional cutoff, in English the maximum sectional cutoff has been 10.5. In reasoning it has been 12.25. In general awareness it has been 8.75. So keep these in mind. At least target these much marks in every subject. This has been the vacancies over the past years. General awareness from the past 2-3 years has been tough, and that is why general awareness cutoff has been less. So be aware of that. Overall cutoff last year was very less. It was 35.63 and now the vacancies are more. So cutoff may remain low, but you should be prepared for the worst. If the exam is easy, be prepared to attempt as many questions as possible. Now coming to few more tips. Do not panic. Be confident. You have prepared well. Trust yourself and attempt the exam without any anxiety. Attempt the questions from your comfort areas first. And this is specifically for reasoning, English, general awareness. For general awareness, read the question. If you remember the answer, mark it, else move to the next question. For English and for reasoning, attempt the questions from your comfort areas first. Do not get emotional over the reasoning puzzles and waste your time. I have heard from so many students so many times that they wasted 5, 8, 10 minutes on solving a puzzle or seating arrangement and yet they were not able to solve that. So do not get emotional. Look at the puzzle seating arrangement. Look at the number of variables that are there. If you think you can solve it, if it has less variables, solve it. Otherwise, skip the question, move to the next. If you have solved other questions, you can come back to the puzzle later on. But do not waste your initial 10 minutes because then the pressure will build up, the stress will build up, you will get panic. The next is stay hydrated. Before the exam, please sleep well. This will keep your brain relaxed. You will be able to focus more. The next last is carry your admit card, ID proof, photograph and pen. So these are the essentials that you need to carry. If you have missed anything, you can read out the details on your information handout and admit card. Wish you all the best for your upcoming exam. If you have any queries, any doubts, let me know in the comment below. You can also reach out to us on this number. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Wish you all the best for your upcoming exam.